Hello students, in this video we will learn how to study the graph and answer the questions asked. We are given with distance speed graph. In this distance speed graph, the x-axis represents speed in kilometer per hour and our y-axis represents distance in kilometers, and we are going to answer all these questions asked. First question is, at what speed will the distance be 120 kilometers? So we are given with the distance 120 kilometers and we are asked to find speed. So our distance is in y-axis. So in y-axis our 120 is here. So to find the speed, we'll draw the segment straight to the line, and from here we will reach our x-axis to find the speed. So 120 kilometers is here. So we'll draw segment straight to our line graph. After reaching our line graph, we will move towards x-axis to find the speed in kilometer per hour. We are reaching at the point 55 on our x-axis. So the distance covered by 120 kilometer will be the speed 55 kilometer per hour. And similarly, the next question is, if the speed is 25 km per hour, what will be the distance covered be? So we are given with speed that is 25 km per hour and we are asked to find the distance covered. Speed is in x-axis. So we are given with 25 km per hour. 25 km is here. So to find the distance, we'll draw the segment straight to our line graph from 25 kilometers. And after reaching here, to find the distance covered, we'll move towards the y-axis to find the distance covered. So we are reaching the point 60 on the y-axis, that is distance. So our distance covered will be 60 kilometers. And third question is, estimate the distance covered if the vehicle is moving at the speed of 40 km per hour. Again, we are going to estimate the distance covered only if the speed is 40 km per hour. So our speed will be in x-axis. In x-axis, from 40 kilometers, we'll move towards the line graph. After reaching our line graph, we will move towards the y-axis to find the distance covered. Our distance covered will be 90 kilometers because it is in between 80 and 100. So it will be 90 kilometers. So the distance covered if the vehicle is moving at the speed of 40 km per hour is 90 kilometers. And this is how you have to study the given graph and you have to answer the questions asked. Thank you, students.